बात करते हैं जो सुबह सुबह मैंने देखा. I saw something being circulated in the social media, and quite frankly I was taken aback. I have been in the Supreme Court and in this institution for over 50 years. I have seen the greatest of judges, both past and present. And we are passionate about the institution. Not passionate about any individual, but about the institution. I have great respect for the present Chief Justice. I can say without any hesitation that he is a man of great personal integrity. But I was really surprised when I saw this clip that was going viral. And I have some issues on principle. Issue number one, no public functionary, whoever it may be, especially those who hold the highest office in the country, it's the President of India, the Prime Minister of India, the Chief Justice of India, whoever, should not publicize a private event. I'm sure that maybe the Chief Justice may not have known that this was being publicized. That's sad. The second thing is, the Prime Minister of India should never have shown his interest to go to such a private event. Because the Prime Minister and those who he must have consulted should and must have told him that this may send a wrong signal. Because the issue is not individual, the issue is what impact such a clip has on the minds of people. And if there is gossip around it, then it is not fair on the institution. You should not lend yourself to a situation, to be in a situation where people can gossip about the institution and start speculating. Number three, my religion and my way of expressing myself in the context of my beliefs is a private matter. It's not a public matter. And therefore, there should be no videography, photographs, which then should be allowed to be